Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your account on Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, deleting your account is very simple. You just have to access your account settings and manage them from your dashboard, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard. If you're in your site editor, all you have to do is click on the X in the top left, and it'll take you straight over here. It'll take you to your user page from where you can access your account settings. To do so, click on your site name in the top right, click on account settings, and that's going to take you straight over here. Now, once you're here, you can do a couple different things. If you want to disable or deactivate any subscriptions you might have, you can go to manage account, and there might be a deactivate account or deactivate subscription button at the bottom. However, if you wish to delete your account fully, you're going to need to access your account data. For that, you just go here into my data in the very top right of this sort of tab right over here. So just at this bar, all the way to the right, click on my data, click erase data and forget me, click I understand and would like to proceed, and then click erase data. Now, I don't want to erase my account, and as you can see, you can request a refund of unused services within 30 days of purchase. Otherwise, no refunds are available, but once you erase your data, your account erasure cannot be undone, and you agree to delete all your data, including any published and unpublished websites. So be very careful once you're deleting your account so that you can get the most out of it before you actually finish it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.